Welcome to Raven CSI COVID-19 Free Pro Plan. Thanks for joining. We're going to quickly get started here and show you some of the steps in order to sign up and get access to Raven so you can use this in order to enhance your business and the resources that you're using. The first thing you're going to do is click on Pricing Plans. When you click on Pricing Plans, please subscribe. You'll see here our COVID-19 Pro Plan special offer. When you hit the subscribe button, fill out all the information. There's no cost. It'll show like $0, and then you will be sent an email. The email that you'll be sent will look something like this, where you'll get an email from Raven CSI, Raven admin at ravencsi.com. You'll get some instructions here for you to sign in with your name. It'll give you your username, your password, and then click here to activate your account. Once you activate your account, you will be live. And then you can use these credentials to get access to Raven CSI. All right, so let's take a look at Raven. So when you get to Raven, here's the first screen that you'll see. You'll see up here at the top, there's all these different options. And you want to log in. So when you log in with your credentials, click here for login. You'll type in your credentials. In this case, I'm going to change mine. Put in your credentials, and then sign in as the account manager. So click account manager and then hit sign in. Okay. As it takes some time here to sign in, you'll get your screen. It'll show you on your screen. They'll have different plans. You can have multiple plans in Raven. Right now you only have one, so you just basically click this plan and you'll get access inside of Raven in order to see the surveys that you might have active. Okay, so this is the main screen in Raven. There's different features and functions here. I always try to teach people to remember to use the view survey. Always go back to view survey. That seems to be the place where you want to be most of the time. Okay, over here we have different admin settings, go-to plans if you had multiple plans. If you ever need help, there's a pretty robust help screen here. And then over here is if you want to change your profile, your password, go under profile, and if you want to sign out, it's over here on this screen over here. So when you want to get started and you want to do a survey within Raven, it's pretty simple. What I always use is I go over here to templates. So if you want to build a survey in less than 60 seconds, we go over here to templates, and you'll see as soon as we click on templates, there's a variety of templates over here on the left-hand side that you can choose from. Okay, we're going to pick COVID-19. There's 14 different templates that we could use in order to create a survey. So we're going to click there, and we're going to look at over here, and I think remote work distractions. So I'm going to take a quick view of what that survey might look like, and you'll see in here they have different questions. I'm concerned about going stir crazy, top level. What you do in order to create a survey is I just click all. If you don't like one of the questions, you can uncheck it. And then you would hit the bottom button here, you'd hit use. Okay. When you hit use, there's some features that you have to fill out. Like we have to have a survey name. Let's call this COVID-19 trial. And we're going to say, please share your feedback. And you can put thank you. In here you can change your font size and some other features if you wanted to. We could change this font size to, I don't know, Arial, and size to 15 or 20 or something. So you could do that. You click in here, you just pick a survey success message or enter one that you would do. You would pick a survey date. You have to have an end date on a survey in order for it to accept it. I'm just going to pick July 2nd. And then you don't need to worry about any of these options here of department. This is for later. There'll be more demos about how to create departments and use some of the other trick functions of Raven. So right now, all you have to do is hit create survey. When you create the survey, you'll see here it's creating that survey for you. And lo and behold, here it is. This is COVID-19 trial. It says up here at the top. And now we have all those questions. We have question 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 4 questions in the survey. It automatically gives some weighting over here to do some math if we're doing a Likert scale. But you can see here, this survey is basically ready to go. If you wanted to change any of the questions in here, like get rid of that extra space there, you can just do that. You can change the font size, the font type, make it Arial. You can change the size. Okay, oops, I changed the wrong size. Let's go 20. You can do that in Raven. There's also some other features over here. If you wanted to add questions, what you do is you can just add questions in here, and then you can type them in. So it's basically a drag and drop function for Raven. So I'm not going to update. If you wanted to preview the survey, you can click here down at the bottom. There's some preview options to see what the survey might look like. Please select the top level distractions. We have our 4 questions. Since I didn't save the extra question, it didn't save it. You can see here we have that capability. And what I do is I go back over here to View Survey. Remember View Survey. And if I wanted someone to take that survey, everything in Raven is built in this row. We tried to make it simple to use. If you wanted to use a QR code, or well, actually you want to see the survey, you click here, the little arrow. Now you can take the survey. Please share your feedback. You can see the different questions. You can select them. And then you hit submit. Now you have some data in your tool. Always go up here to the top. Raven creates some different tabs up at the top. Just always go back here. Always go back to View Survey, and you can see the active surveys that you have. If you wanted to make any changes to that new survey that you made, you just click here on the survey name to design survey and such. So we can copy, do all kinds of stuff within Raven. If you wanted to send out a QR code link to folks, you could, this is your QR code here, or you could copy this and edit or modify it or create a custom link. Okay. If you scan that with your phone right now, in either QR mode or in your picture mode, if you have an iPhone, you can actually take the survey from your phone. Once again, we did that actually in less than 60 seconds. I'm just showing you some additional features about Raven. When I'm in this survey, if I wanted to change any of the backgrounds or anything, you can go to Customize. There's some standard backgrounds. We'll pick Blue Ocean here. We can also add a logo. Upload a logo image, upload a background image. You can change the font size in one for all of it. Let's go to Arial. Let's go to size 22. Keep it black. We're going to hit update. Remember, when you make any changes, you need to hit update. And now you'll see, if I go back here to View Survey, and I want to use this little arrow here to see what it looks like now. You can see here it's got the blue background. Take the survey, you'll see the font size is bigger with the blue background. Then you can take your survey and collect that data. If you wanted to analyze your results, you can see here, here's the survey responses. I think we only took one survey, so it has an auto report feature, and it also has some other features we can show you on another demo. So go back to View Survey. If you wanted to sign out, you go over here to this little man over here and then hit Sign Out. Thank you for participating in Raven. If you have any questions, please go to our main website, and at the bottom you'll see our phone number. It's 267-793-1707. This is Brian from Raven CSI signing out. Thank you.